tonight.
Bruh.
At 41.0 feet.
Bruh.
Ohio is flooded and low-lying areas surrounding Port
Granny,
Pleasant and vicinity are
did that crank radio make noises while I was gone?
details at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Frequency. Channel mode.
Bruh.
40.8 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to fall below flood stage this evening and continue falling to 27.4 feet.
Just give you a sense, the mayor of Kyiv says they want
8,
there's no more evacuations.
7, 6, 5.
Oh, wait. Oh, crap, that's my problem.
Safety information can be found at weather.gov/safety/flood. Repeating, a river flood warning remains in effect until 2:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday for the following county: Mason, West Virginia.
But each step along the way, there have been big battles. As far as the evacuation, this is going toward
Bruh!
where Lviv is.
Went to work her that summer. Teenage kids so far from home. Hell bent to make it on her own.
This is what we're seeing. Explosions is the power,
I can't believe this.
as well as
My freaking 310 didn't go off, apparently, and
that's very, very intense. We're told.
the crank radio.
Once the forces get there. There's the big picture, Russian control.
Oh, goodness, the FM transmitter's working.
And obviously Crimea is a big launching point for the forces as well as the Donbass. And all of these countries around here are shoring up
Excuse me.
U.S. and NATO forces to make sure.
Well, I'm getting the Bearcat out.